If you're looking for a quick and easy high-protein meal prep, this creamy garlic chicken pasta takes less than 30 minutes to make with over 60 grams of protein. In a blender cup, add pasta sauce, oregano, salt, pepper, garlic mince, garlic peri-peri sauce, low-fat cottage cheese, and blend it together until it's smooth and creamy. Now start cooking up your pasta, and while your pasta's cooking, grab your thinly cut chicken breast, tenderize it to flatten it, add some olive oil and season each side evenly. Cook the chicken on high heat for about 4 minutes on each side. Set the chicken to the side, add the sauce on low heat, followed by the drained pasta with a bit of pasta water, mix it till it's nice and creamy. Now divide the creamy pasta and chicken into 4 equal servings with some parmesan and parsley, and that's it. Enjoy.
The easiest and most delicious high-protein chicken chow mein. Only 450 calories and so much better than takeout. Slice your chicken into strips, then add paprika, black pepper, garlic, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Mix till the color changes, then cook for 6 to 8 minutes till golden brown. Set the chicken aside, then add your mixed veg. Stir fry for 5 minutes before adding fresh garlic, soy sauce, oyster sauce, rice vinegar, and your cooked noodles. Mix well, then add the chicken and bean sprouts. Garnish with sesame seeds and chili flakes, then distribute into 4 equal servings and enjoy.
High protein meal prep, crispy teriyaki chicken fried rice. Double cook for your chicken, add garlic, soy sauce, brown sugar and corn flour to make it crispy. Mix together and add it to a pan with olive oil and cook for 10 to 15 minutes on high heat. And add soy sauce, honey and spring onion to make it sticky and crunchy. And for the fried rice, on medium heat add garlic, frozen veg, 2 eggs, scramble and blend your cooked rice and a bit of soy sauce and sesame seeds. This is a healthier alternative to take out during the week, so enjoy and follow for more.
The most delicious, healthy breakfast. Crispy potatoes and scrambled eggs. Perfect for meal prep. Let me show you how to make it. Slice your potato into cubes, add oregano, garlic, salt, and pepper. Microwave for 5 minutes till soft in the middle. Then cook on medium heat for 4 minutes before adding paprika, chopped onion, bell pepper, and turkey bacon. Mix and cook for 5 minutes till golden brown. Set that aside, then add your eggs. Keep stirring till scrambled. Then add light cream cheese, mix till creamy. Distribute into equal servings. Garnish with parsley and spicy mayo, and enjoy.
High protein meal prep, crispy salt and pepper chicken chow mein. Cut your chicken into cubes, add salt bay, black pepper, garlic, soy sauce and corn flour to make it crispy. Mix and coat it all together. Add it to a pan with olive oil and cook for 10 to 15 minutes on high heat until golden brown and crunchy. Set aside and add garlic, ginger, bell pepper, onion, soy sauce, rice vinegar, honey, your cooked chicken and cooked noodles. Stir together on medium heat until soft and sticky. Who needs Chinese takeout when you can have this during the week, so enjoy and follow for more.
Welcome back to my series where I'm turning $50 of groceries into a week of easy, healthy meals. Each recipe will serve 3 to 4 people and they're all gluten and dairy free. This is recipe number 1 and it's a delicious lemony chicken and rice bake. You start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees and then cook some seasoned boneless chicken thighs in olive oil on a skillet. Once they're crisp on each side, then you add in a chopped yellow onion and some minced garlic. Let the onion get translucent and then add in a cup of white rice. You want to let the rice toast for a few minutes and then you're going to add in the juice of 1 lemon, some chicken broth, and some full fat coconut milk. You mix everything to combine so that the rice is completely covered and then you're going to add in some fresh chopped kale. Let the kale wilt down. You may need to add a little bit of water, then add back those chicken thighs and transfer it to the oven. When it's done baking, you have the most delicious lemony rice and chicken thighs. I hope you tried this one. It's one of my favorite comforting foods. Recipes in the caption and I'll be back tomorrow. Welcome back to my series where I'm turning a $50 grocery haul into your week of easy, healthy dinners. Each recipe makes 3 to 4 servings and they're all dairy and gluten-free. Recipe number 2 is a highly requested plant-based recipe. You start by soaking raw cashews in hot water for 30 minutes, and while that's cooking, boil a pot of brown rice pasta. Then you make the most delicious creamy pasta sauce by adding those soaked cashews to a food processor with garlic and broth, nutritional yeast, lemon juice, some spices. Blend it up until it's completely smooth, and then you're gonna add it to your cooked pasta. You wanna completely cover the pasta with the sauce, and I also add some broccoli at the end to steam it in the pasta. If you're not somebody who tries a lot of plant-based recipes, I urge you to try this one. It's so filling, it's so delicious. I think you're gonna love it. Recipe is in the caption. I'll be back tomorrow. Today's recipe is a personal favorite of mine. It's just so homey and comforting. Plus, the ingredients are all super simple. You start by heating some oil in a large pot and then cooking some seasoned chicken thighs. Once those are fully cooked, you can cut them up into small pieces and set aside. In that same pot, you're gonna saute some chopped onions, celery, carrots, and garlic. You wanna let all that cook down, and then once the onions are translucent, season with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Let that saute and get aromatic, and then you're gonna add broth, water, lemon juice, and lemon zest. Then you just add a cup of white rice, cover the pot, and bring it to a simmer. After about 20 minutes, the rice should be fully cooked. You may want to add a little bit more water, and then you just add coconut milk, dill, parsley, and the cooked chicken. That's all you need to do. Just let it simmer until you're ready to serve. This one will make your house smell amazing, and it's perfect for freezing. And they're all gluten-free and dairy-free, and this one is also a plant-based recipe. Now, if you want to chop all your veggies beforehand, this sheet pan recipe is going to be so easy to put together. You start by chopping up a block of tofu, which I recommend pressing for 30 minutes. Then to a large sheet pan, you're going to add olive oil, celery, carrots, broccoli, and the tofu. Season with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and then pop into the oven for 20 minutes. While it's baking, you put together a really simple sauce. I use coconut aminos, maple syrup, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and red pepper flakes. Take the pan out of the oven, you're going to add the sauce and some cashews. Then it goes back in the oven one more time for about 15 minutes. When it's all done, it's ready to enjoy as is. You could also add some rice because you'll definitely have some left over from the rest of the haul. It's a sheet pan meal that I've been making on repeat. I think you're gonna absolutely love it. For today's recipe, you start by making some crispy chickpeas, which you season with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Just mix it well with some oil and then throw it in the oven. While that's baking, you mix some cashews with some maple syrup and the same spices and oil. You pull the chickpeas out of the oven and then add that cashew mix, then go back in the oven. Then you massage lots of kale with olive oil. Make sure you massage it really well and let it sit for at least 15 minutes. By this point, everything should be done and it's ready to assemble. You add a quick lemon dressing to the kale. It's mainly oil, apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, and lemon. Then the last step is just to add in some chopped carrots and then your cashews and chickpea mix. Then it's ready to serve. You can also store this because it makes for great meal prep. That's how simple it is. You could also add some rice.
The creamiest high-protein garlic beef pasta, less than 500 calories, so much flavor, and so easy to meal prep. In a hot pan, add olive oil, fresh garlic, tomato, and bell pepper. Season with Italian herbs, paprika, salt, and pepper. Cook for 5 minutes till soft, then add it all in a blender cup with light cream cheese and pasta water. Blend till smooth and creamy, then back to the pan. Cook the lean ground beef with the same seasoning for 8 minutes. Add your cooked pasta with the sauce, give it a good mix, garnish with parsley and parmesan, then serve and enjoy.
High protein meal prep time, quesadilla edition.
Prepare some ground meat, then take a tortilla and put it in a pan. Add some cheese to one side, then your minced meat and any sauces you like. Then add more cheese and fold it over.
Flip me, daddy. What the fuck?
Then flip it and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Get whatever sides you want, and there's your meal.
If you're trying to lose fat, then you're going to want to make this high protein meal prep recipe for just 434 calories. This is my barbecue chicken rice recipe. Add your onion, chicken and garlic to a pan. You're going to fry this off until it's all brown with some paprika, oregano, salt and pepper. Then add in your turkey bacon, green pepper, rice, chicken stock and barbecue sauce. Pop the lid on and leave to simmer for around 15 to 20 minutes until all of the liquid is absorbed. Once the liquid is gone, you're going to top with cheese and extra barbecue sauce, then pop the pan onto the grill until all of the cheese is melted. Divide into 4 and leave in the fridge for up to 3 days.
Here's my easy, healthy, spicy Chipotle chicken burritos. They're packed with protein, low calorie, great for meal prep, 20 minutes. Start with chicken breast, olive oil, mix it in, then lightly season with the following spices on both sides. It should look something like this. Cook on a medium heat pan 6 to 8 minutes on each side. Sauce is light mayo, chopped up Chipotle peppers, squeeze of lime and garlic powder. Mix well, then assemble your burrito with chicken, sauce, low-fat cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. Fold the sides and roll into a burrito, toast them up, and there you go. Enjoy.